even know what I want this video to be. I just got up this morning and I was like, you know what, I should record another what I eat in a day, but also, you know, like I should just take y'all out with me, you know, throughout my day. So I'm having my lemon water. I'm just to go to the gym right now. So I'm gonna go to the gym. While I'm at the gym, I'm gonna show you guys my workout. Y'all, I'm not like any type of fitness guru. Like, I've just been on a journey to lose weight, to be more active. So I spend 30 45 minutes, sometimes an hour in the gym, depending on how I feel. Yeah, this is like a mini day in a life, what I eat in a day vlog. Y'all, just know consistency is key. Like, look at that. I'm gonna insert a picture of how my body looked like. Consistency is key. I am living proof. I was 150 something pounds in the beginning of quarantine. Now I'm like borderlining 129 right now. I have a little ways to go for me to look the way I want, but I'm almost there. Like, I'm almost there. So I'm back from the gym, and that was a workout. I was there for maybe like 45 minutes. Yeah, about 45 minutes. So now I'm starving. It is 1:37 right now. I haven't had nothing but that water. So I'm going to take my vitamins and stuff, and I'm gonna make myself something to eat. So you already know how I do. I'm getting at my food sales. So I'm actually, on top of my toast, I'm gonna add some protein. So I have this deli meat here. I ran out of the deli meat that I normally eat, so I'm eating some of Matt's. 2 ounces of this is 9 grams of protein. So that's 1.9. So that's close enough. I don't want to add another one and then just have too much. I'm gonna have 1 organic egg. I might just like fry it straight out the thing, and then 1 slice of sourdough bread. Y'all, I don't eat any other bread but sourdough bread. Sourdough bread it has like a prebiotic as well as probiotic benefits. It's so good for your gut health, and it has so many good benefits for your stomach, as well as like different type of minerals and iron, as well as protein. So like this is, and it's low glycemic. So if you are on like a low carb diet, this is a good bread to have in the morning time. It's easily digestible, low glycemic, so it's not gonna spike your sugar levels. And yeah, it's just bomb for avocado toast, period. So yeah, I'm gonna sit. Look. I'm gonna sit and enjoy this, take a shower, and get ready to film. I'm filming a skincare video today, specifically sunscreen for black skin, like dark skin tones, because I found so many different sunscreens that just ain't black people friendly. So I have a few. I'm always in the sun, I'm always outside, so I have a lot of sunscreen, and I just wanted to show y'all the sunscreen I have and why it's good for your skin. So I'm shooting that today before I go out to the Blue Lagoon later, and I'm take y'all there with me. So I'm gonna finish this. I have no idea what I'm eating for lunch, but this should hold me over for a few hours before I go out. So this is what we had last night. So these are jerk chicken egg rolls, and this is a shrimp tacos with pepper, onions, and cabbage. So I just heated it up real quick so that we could just eat it on our drive. But it's so good. All this meat in here, all this protein. It's a lot of carbs, but I'm gonna try to eat something light tonight so that I can make up for that. So right now I am about to make dinner for myself. I normally eat, my last meal of the day is normally around 5, 6 o'clock, the latest 7:30. So I'm about to make dinner and I want to show that to you guys. The reason why I do these videos and I want to continue doing these videos is not only to show you that you could have a healthy meal and eat healthy and it not be too restricting, but also for myself to keep myself accountable and keep myself on track. 2 years ago, I looked a certain way, I was happy with my weight, and after those 2 years, specifically after me and Matt got engaged, I kind of like let myself go, and then I went through this state. It's a whole story, but anyway, now I'm trying to get back on my fit journey. That is another reason why I make these videos. And I really hope it helps someone. I'm about to make dinner and be out. So I want to show you guys what I'm eating tonight for dinner. So tonight I'm making a chicken fajita salad. So I already have the onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, and red peppers chopped up. So I'm gonna put it in the pot, and then I have already washed my chicken. So I'm gonna put this in the pot, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I season my chicken. And what I'm putting in the pot with it is avocado oil. So I use garlic powder, complete seasoning. Yes, this has a shit ton of salt, but it's bomb and I don't use it often. Cayenne pepper because I like things spicy. A little bit of chipotle chili powder. And if you guys didn't know already, I am of Jamaican descent. So I love using this Jamaican seasoning on everything on every chicken that I use. So this is garlic extract, white pepper, pimento seed, black pepper, rice flour. Like, this is so good. So these have cooked down enough, so I'm gonna put them in this thing here and then cook the chicken. I ran out of avocado oil, so I'm going to use grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil is awesome for like high cooking, like if you're cooking on a high heat. I don't know if you watch any of my other videos, but if you're cooking on a high heat, do not use olive oil. Definitely don't use vegetable oil to cook. You know, use avocado or grapeseed oil. It's healthier and easy on the gut, and not filled with toxins and all that crap. And that is dinner, you guys. Here you go. I might add some more dressing after I shake it up a bit just to taste it and see if I need more, but that's it. I am about to make Matt salad for dinner tonight, and that is it.